students. In today's video, I am going to discuss ethers chapter Williamson synthesis. Williamson synthesis preparations. Afterwards, we are going to discuss some questions also and suitable conditions, not suitable conditions, everything I am going to discuss with you. First, let's start with Williamson synthesis definition. Williamson ether synthesis, Williamson synthesis, anything. Okay, first note down the definition. It is used for the first point. It is used for the preparation of symmetrical and unsymmetrical ethers. Unsymmetrical ethers. Both we are going to prepare. I will show you what are symmetrical ethers. See, ROR. This is symmetrical. Here R is nothing but alkyl group. Alkyl group. That is same alkyl group. Same alkyl group. Here R equal to like CH3, next C2H5 and propyl C3H7. Like this we are going to write. If you want to prepare dimethyl ether, you can substitute two methyl groups. If you want to substitute diethyl ether, you can substitute like that. Next, unsymmetrical ethers. ROR dash. Here R is one alkyl, R dash is another alkyl group, different alkyl group, another alkyl group. Suppose R equal to CH3, R dash equal to C2H5. This is unsymmetrical ethers, CH3, CO, C2H5. Here symmetrical ethers means suppose if you have taken same alkyl group, that is symmetrical ether. This is the difference between symmetrical and unsymmetrical. Very basic points. Now, next one, preparation. How we are preparing? What is the starting material? What is the substrate we are taking? We will write. Alkyl halide. Alkyl halide reacts with sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide gives, what is the student? Ethers. Alkyl halide reacts with the sodium alkoxide. It gives ethers. That is, we call it as Williamson ether synthesis. This is the preparation. This is the statement, definition, or else statement. Alkyl halide reacts with sodium alkoxide. It gives ethers known as Williamson ether synthesis. Williamson synthesis. Okay, now we will start. So alkyl halide means I am taking alkyl halide like this. This is alkyl group. Sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide. You can take it, that is also R dash. Yes, R dash O Na. So finally it gives students, what is this? Byproduct. Byproduct X and Na. That's it. Remaining you can write main product ROR dash. If you take same alkyl group, symmetrical ether, if you take different alkyl group, unsymmetrical ethers, like that we are preparing. But here most important points now I am writing. Here RO minus, this is Na plus students, this is RO minus. Okay, this RO minus, this R or R dash, anything, R or R dash, your wish. RO minus strong nucleophile. If RO minus is strong nucleophile, it favors SN2 mechanism. If RO minus is strong base, it favors E2 mechanism. This is most important point. Okay, it favors SN2. When it is SN2, it acts as nucleophile, strong nucleophile SN2, nucleophilic substitution reactions. If it is strong base, then it extracts hydrogen, it undergo E2 reactions. But what is our favorable here? This is, if RO minus acts as strong nucleophile, no, that is Williamson ethos synthesis is easy, that you will get ethos. Otherwise, you will get the byproducts like alkenes and all. We are not going to prepare here alkenes. We are going to prepare, our main target is ethos, right? Now we will take some examples. Before going to the question, students, I am giving the important concept to you. Definitely it covers all competitive questions. Okay. Now here, when Rx is always simple alkyl halide, CH3Cl, okay, simple alkyl halide, it favors SN2 and will get ethers, right? And the primary Rx, okay, next primary Rx means you can write unhindered Rx. Next, allyl halide. This is one of the very important point. Allyl halide. Allyl halide is nothing but like this. CH2X, CH double bond, CH2. Allyl halide. Okay, sometimes they will give bond representation like this. Bond line representation. Both are same. See, this is CH2, CH2X. Both are same. Okay, now next one. Benzyl halide. Benzyl halide also favors. Benzyl halide. What is benzyl halide, students? CH2X. Clear? Then only RO minus acts as strong nucleophile. It gives ethers. You will write this point. Note point here. After this, what you will write? Then only, if you select above cases, above alkyl halides, then only RO minus acts as nucleophile, that is strong nucleophile. Acts as strong nucleophile and supports SN2 mechanism. Clear? Then only ethos will get it. Next, case 2. This is case 1, students, right? This is case 1. Now case 2. What is case 2? Case 2, if other cases Rx, if Rx like this, I am writing 2 degree and 3 degree, next one, next hindered primary. So hindered primary means, see, group is like this. CH3, and what about this guy? This is also CH3, CH2Cl. This is also not favorable. This is hindered primary. So then you can write the note point. Then RO minus acts as, tell me, strong base, and support E2 mechanism, E2, and the product is alkene instead of ethers. Alkene instead of ethers. What is our target here, students? We are going to make ethers, but we are not getting ethers, no? That's why whenever you will see this group, that is not favorable for us. Always we have to take simple alkyl halide. Keep it in mind. Simple alkyl halides. And next, case 3. Case 3. Rx is vinyl halide. Rx is vinyl halide, and next Rx is aryl halide. What is vinyl halide, students? Any idea? CH2 double bond CHX. Aryl means like this. Next, Rx is bridged halide. Bridged halide like this. Okay. Now you can write the bridge here. This is bridged halide. Then what happened here? Note point. What is the note point? Neither SN2 nor E2. Neither SN2 nor E2. So this is your note. If you have command here, then very easy way we can work out the questions. Williamson ether synthesis. Okay, Williamson synthesis. Now I am going to give some questions here. We can work out. First one. Question. Prepare best combination of substrate and substrate. What is substrate here? Rx. Best combination of substrate and nucleophile. What is the nucleophile here, students? Yes, RO minus. For Williamson synthesis, for following ethers. Okay, before going to this question, I am writing one simple one. First example, I will take it. Look into this. First, normal preparation of ethers I am giving. CH3, yes students, what is the CH3X? X is nothing but like a chlorine, we can take it, plus C2H5ONA. It follows, see, simple alkyl halides, no, it favors SN2 mechanism. Whoever not prepared SN1, SN2 strongly, please go through our channel, haloalkanes, haloarenes, 10 parts I have done. And alcohols, phenols, ethers also 10 parts, nearly 10 parts I have done. And next one, other points, which is most important rule, separately I have kept in playlist also. Important Markovnikov rule, Fedorov rule, all the rules you can go through it. Okay. So simple alkyl halides means it favors SN2. Yes, that is only our favorable condition, no, for preparation of ethers. Simple, students. Here chlorine, here Na you can remove. That is our byproduct. What about the main product? Just to connect. CH3, yes. Here O C2H5. This is your ether. What is this ether? Methyl ethyl ether. Methyl ethyl ether. That's it. Methyl ethyl ether. And IUPAC name methoxyethane. Methoxyethane. It is what? Unsymmetrical ether. Suppose if you want symmetrical ethers, CH3Cl plus this is also same R group you can take it. That's it. ONA gives rise to what is the student's main product? CH3O, CH3 and plus NaCl like this. This is the way we are preparing. Now come back to our question. What is this? Sometimes they will give products like products to reactants, reactants to products. Both they will ask. Okay. So what is this here? If they are giving substrates, no, you can make it products. But sometimes products they will give like this. I will show an example to you. CH3, CH3, CH3. You can write. You can come to know. CH3, CH3, yes, CH3, O, CH3. Okay. Now here what happened? Preparation of ethers. This is ether. What is this ether name? Tertiary butyl methyl ether. This is one question. Recently, mains and NEET examination, they are asking questions like this. Then what is the favorable? They have given here ethers to you. You can write substrate. You have to write substrate. Then Williamson synthesis preparation, what we have learned above concept, always simple alkyl halides, right? Simple alkyl halides. Just simple, students. Here you can break, add X here, which is not required, send into base. That's it. Na. That's the base is bulky, no problem, but this should be always simple alkyl halide. CH3X. That's it. So what is the base? CH3, 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 ON. Clear? Right. Now, next one. Second one. This is first one. CH2O. This is the group. Benzene group. Here, how to prepare? What are substrates? Give substrates. This is what? Benzyl phenyl ether. Benzyl aryl ether. Or else phenyl ether. So which is the favorable? So starting I have written. So what is this? Favorable one is benzyl halide. Yes, X here, Na. That's it. So write what is the CH2X. What is this X? Anything. Chlorine, bromine, iodine like this. This is ON. It's a favorable one. Case one, if you are strong, you can make easily this type of questions. Okay, now next one. I am giving some bond line representation questions. Try to give. Yes, they had given like this. Can you give answer? Can you give answer? What is the favorable one? You can take it the arrow or else you can take it answer. Just answer you can write. This is answer substrate. This is also. Can you tell answer? What is this answer? Yes, this is allyl. This group is allyl. This group is vinyl. Right. This is vinyl, which is favorable allyl. That's it. You can break here, add X. That's it. Remaining ON. Then try to give answer. What is this? Yes. This is X plus ONA. This is your answer. Clear, students? Now, next question. Again, bond line representation. Answer. What is the answer, students? Which is the favorable one? This is, you can first, this is bond line representation. This is 2 degree. This is carbon, no? Here this is 2 degree. This is 1 degree. Right. Which is favorable? 1 degree is favorable. That's it. You can break here, add X here, and A here. That's it. Now what is the answer here? What is this answer? ONA plus X. That's it. Like bond-end representation only, you can give the answer. Simple. If you have command in the concept, students, any question which is very easily you can work out. Now last question, one more I am giving here. Okay. What is this answer? Try to give answer. This is aryl. If you break here, aryl halides they are getting. Aryl halide is not favorable. Highly unstable carbocation it gives. It is less reactive. Why? Because it is not ready to lose, first of all. So aryl halides is not favorable, right? So aryl halides, vinyl halides, bridge halides, it's not favorable. Neither SN2 nor E2. Next, what is our answer? That's it. Here you can break, add X here, add Na. That's it. So can you write answer, students? Yes. X plus, what is this? Benzene ring O minus Na plus. Like this. Clear? Clear? Now next question. Next, anisole. Anisole. This is, what is this guy name? Anisole. Yes, anisole preparation time. What are the favorable conditions? What is the favorable condition? So, which is the simple alkyl halide? Can you guess it? Yes. This is X. This is ONA. That's it, students. You can write that this is nucleophile and this is substrate CH3X. That's it, students. With this, all the questions which is frequently asking in NEET examination, mains examination, I have completed. First, all the people read the notes, concept case 1, case 2, case 3. After that, you can start solving questions, whatever you have your books. Okay, then definitely you will get command in this concept. You can enjoy the concept. Next, in ethers lesson only one more difficult topic, confusing topic, HI reaction. When we are using anhydrous, when we are not using, and when favors SN2, when favors SN1. So all I am going to upload from upcoming videos. I am going to do, students. So try to do questions based on Williamson ether synthesis. And next, anyone have doubts in haloalkanes, haloarenes, and the organic part? So playlist separately I had given all the videos. Go through the videos and prepare well, students. Thank you. Thanks for watching.